What's going on, bud? We got a lot of snow.
Did we? Where are our kids at?
I don't know.
Over there.
Slippery. I missed that. You almost fell. It's so slippery. How you doing, bud? Oh, I fell! Babe! What do you think, bud? Is this weird? Boo! What do you think? You're not gonna hit me.
How you doing today, babe?
Wonderful.
Wonderful day feeding the baby at the dinner table right here, our little picnic tray. Got the girls over here, had fun out playing in the snow today. Kendall, did you have fun today? What's going on today?
Just going outside.
Snowing outside and stuff's freezing. Yeah, our pipes have been freezing, so the whole apartment complex decided to shut off the water. Now, just to make sure that we can flush the toilet, we're working on melting some snow in the pan. You can still see some in there. Maybe wash the dishes. I've even got special labeled jugs. P-double-O water.
P-double.
Yay! Snow outside. It's gonna freeze again tonight. It's gonna probably be with us a few days. All right, there's the lovely wife and the baby. That's our mood lighting. Because the power's out again with the rolling blackouts. Kids are enjoying their, what are you guys, Go-Gurts? Frozen Go-Gurts? Nice. Well, the poo buckets. Hard to see it right there, but that's our jugs. Might as well take advantage of the darkness and go make myself useful and go fill these things up. You know, it's not really convenient doing this, but at the same time, it could be much worse. So, not such a bad deal. Been pretty fortunate. I mean, like I said, it kind of sucks, but it could be so much worse off. There's so many other people that are, I'm sure, in a much worse situation than what we are. So this is nothing. We'll make do with it and enjoy our family time inside. I haven't had to work in the last, gosh, it feels like it's almost been a week. So I haven't gone to work at all this week. They keep on pushing it off because of the roads and not having water. So, I will, yeah. We can just send however you want. However, are you taking it inside? Yeah. Oh man, sweet. Got down there and my daughter's friend's dad, they live on the opposite side of the same building that we were in, was down there doing his thing at the same time. So he helped me out real quick. Hope everybody else is faring well out there and doing good. Everything on this side has been, like I said, not bad. Lucked out and had somebody share a hotel room with us so we could shower, so we're not stinky people. And we've had water nearby to get, so all in all, not too bad. There's the wife getting the door for me in the dark.
You're welcome.
Ah, dark places. Monsters! Hi! What do we got here, babe? Texas Crown Club. That's interesting. Let's see here.
That's what I was gonna say. We bought that.
No.
Your sister
Amy
bought this
that.
when we came to visit Texas in March for the first time ever. And he said he wasn't gonna open it until we moved down here. And then we moved down here in July.
Yep.
March, April,
We
May,
were
June,
in Texas
July.
at the end of June.
Yeah, so 4 months later. First visit to
It's
a move.
open. We're drinking it.
There it goes.
Better late than never.
Okay, you guys, we are on day 4, no water, and the second wave of our cold front that came through here in Texas. I didn't think it was gonna happen. It showed we had like the one winter storm that was gonna hit, and it hit, and it was supposed to warm up, and then everyone's like, oh no, there's a second wave coming through. You guys, it is legit. It is snowing so hard outside right now.
And we're in Texas.
It's crazy. Our snow was starting to melt yesterday and go away, especially on the roads. And now it's back. So now we have snow on top of some ice. Now we are gonna go drive around, check it out, and play with the drone.
No, we're not gonna do that.
Go get some fun drone footage of this town and see what it looks like in snow. Okay, bye. Oh no!
Poor car.
Should I do it? Can you put my head up?
We're leaving it.